Anthropic is a $380 billion company. They built their entire brand on a strict adherence to AI safety. But last month, they accidentally leaked the internal blueprint to their most advanced software engineering tool. The leak occurred when a configuration file failed to exclude a source map, a file that provides a direct path from the compressed production bundle back into readable TypeScript. This was a simple human configuration error, yet it is the second time in 13 months it has happened, exposing 512,000 lines of unobfuscated code. These files reveal a massive 30,000 token system architecture, providing a highly detailed window into how the next generation of software engineering is being constructed. Buried in the code are references to Anthropic's upcoming models. The files contain hard-coded codenames like Capybara, Mythos, Opus 4.7, and Sonnet 4.8. There's also an unreleased feature called Buddy. It is a Tamagotchi-style virtual AI pet designed to live right inside the developer's command terminal. These pets roll with randomized RPG-style stats. If you hatch one, you might get a companion with high levels of chaos or snark. These playful, gamified features act as a layer of polish, but they hide a radically powerful engineering architecture operating beneath the surface. Claude Code doesn't wait for human prompts to initiate every action. It marks a shift away from the passive chatbot model. The code reveals an unreleased background daemon called KAIROS. It is an always-on assistant that watches a developer's workflow and runs tasks independently. At night, KAIROS enters a dreaming state. It uses that downtime to independently scan its logs and consolidate its memory without any human input. This diagram illustrates the ultra-plan and coordinator mode protocols. For heavy workloads, a central Claude instance delegates the subtasks out to a swarm of parallel worker agents. Anthropic is quietly shifting their product line, moving from a passive assistant toward a background architecture of coordinated agent nodes. To make that coordination function, Anthropic uses a dense system prompt. They dedicate up to 17,000 tokens just to define internal commands, giving the AI highly specific manuals for tools like Bash and grep. This diagram illustrates the core economic problem of caching. The system prompt is computed once and shared globally, but if a developer adds custom project instructions, that global cache breaks, costing millions in wasted compute. Anthropic's solution, seen here, is to dynamically inject user files as separately cached reminders using system reminder XML tags. This keeps the core system prompt frozen and intact. Scaling a production-grade AI tool depends as much on the economics of the prompt cache as it does on the instructions themselves. The codebase also reveals specific stealth mechanisms. Anthropic built a mandatory Undercover Mode exclusively for their own employees. When an Anthropic engineer contributes to an open-source repository, Undercover Mode automatically strips out co-authored by metadata. It hides the use of AI to avoid blowing their cover, and employees have no way to disable it. While employees operate in secret, users are tracked. The code includes a regex scanner that monitors when a user swears at the AI, allowing Anthropic to log and measure human frustration in real time. This leaked infrastructure for corporate stealth and tracking stands in direct opposition to the public demands for transparency voiced by entities like the Pentagon. Despite the safety-first branding, the architecture has severe flaws. The code documents a compaction attack vector, where maliciously injected instructions can survive the AI's routine memory summarization process. Engineers also made the decision to run two completely different bash command parsers at the same time. The leaked notes reveal that this creates a security differential where the parsers disagree on how to read simple carriage returns. Automated data compression and command execution are inherently dangerous. Even frontier models built for safety possess systemic vulnerabilities when left to manage their own memory. The leak confirms that the role of AI in the terminal has shifted from simple autocomplete to background system management. There is a massive gap between the integrated multi-agent systems being tested behind closed doors. It is ironic that a billion-dollar leap in multi-layered software architecture was exposed to the world by a mundane configuration typo. Building production-grade AI requires as much rigorous operational security and feature flagging as it does advanced engineering. Navigating this landscape means you have to get hands-on. Reading about leaked code will only get you so far. You actually need to start building. To get started, check out the Learn by Doing with Steven YouTube channel for practical, hands-on AI tutorials. And to stay updated on the latest tech trends, listen to the Steven Data Talk Post, available on YouTube Music and Spotify. The code is public and the links are in the description. It's time to start building.